Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Firefox browser is blocking a website and displaying the SEC Error Reused Issuer and Serial message, it means the site's security certificate shares the exact same serial number as another certificate already stored in your browser. I will show you exactly how to clear this conflict and fix your connection right now. Let's get started. First, the most effective way to fix this error is to manually delete the old overlapping certificate directly from Firefox's internal storage. Open your Firefox browser, click the hamburger menu in the top right corner, and select Settings. On the left side of the screen, click on Privacy and Security, then scroll all the way down to the Certificates section and click on the View Certificates button. Click on the Servers tab or the Authorities tab to find the specific certificate related to the website that is currently blocked. Click on that problematic certificate to highlight it, hit the Delete or Distrust button, and confirm your choice. Restart your browser, and Firefox will download a fresh, working certificate the next time you visit the site. Next, if you are still getting the error, your third-party antivirus software might be actively intercepting your secure web traffic and accidentally feeding Firefox duplicate serial numbers. If you use a program like Avast or Kaspersky, you need to temporarily disable its web filtering. Open your main antivirus interface and navigate to its Core Protection Settings or Web Shields menu. Look for an option explicitly labeled Enable HTTPS Scanning or Web Shield and uncheck the box to turn it completely off. Restart your Firefox browser and try loading the web page again to see if the secure connection is now successfully established. Finally, if you desperately need to access a trusted internal router or website and the previous steps failed, you can temporarily bypass the strict certificate check using Firefox's hidden advanced settings. Open a new tab in Firefox, type about:config into the address bar and press Enter. Click the button to accept the risk and continue. In the search bar at the top of the new page, carefully type the exact phrase security.ssl.enable_OCSP_stapling to locate the proper setting. By default, this value is set to true. Double-click on the word true to immediately change its value to false, which stops Firefox from strictly verifying the certificate status. Reload your blocked page, and it should now load perfectly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.